Hi, I'm Aron from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to take a look at a few simple ways to tag products in Shopify. From the Shopify dashboard, select Product in the left-hand navigation, and then choose your desired product. On the product page, the Tags field can be found on the right-hand side of the screen, about halfway down the page. When you click the Tags field, a list of existing tags will appear. You can add any existing tag to your product by clicking the checkbox next to the tag. Your selected tags will then appear in badges below the Tags field. To remove a tag from a product, simply click the X to the right of that tag's name. To add a new tag to your product, click into the Tags field and start typing a name for the new tag. After entering a name for your new tag, click the Add link that appears or press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once you're happy with your product's tags, click the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can add tags to your products a lot faster in bulk. To do so, navigate back to the Products page. From the Products page, click the checkboxes next to any number of products, and then click the Edit Products button. By default, the Tags field isn't displayed in the bulk editor, so click the Add Fields dropdown and select Tags. Once the Tags column appears, simply click into the Tags field for any given product to start modifying its tags. Once again, you can click to add existing tags, click the X icons to remove tags, or click into the field and start typing brand new tags. To add multiple tags to your product, simply press the comma key between each tag. Once you've finished modifying your tags, click the Save button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. In order to modify tags for a significant number of products, the fastest thing to do is export the product database and edit it in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. To do so, start by navigating back to the Products page in the back end of Shopify. Once again, select any number of products, and this time click the Export button in the top right-hand corner of the screen. In the modal that appears, you can choose to export the current page, the selected products, or all products in your online store. Make your desired selection and click the Export Products button. After exporting your products, open up the spreadsheet in your preferred editing software. Within the spreadsheet, locate the Tags column where you can edit the tags for all of your selected products. The tags for any given product are formatted as a comma-separated list within a single cell. By exporting your product data to a spreadsheet, you can use whatever tools you're comfortable with to continue editing product tags as rapidly as possible. In this example, we're simply going to copy-paste our product tags from one product to another. Once you're happy with your updated tags, save your file, and let's get ready to upload it back into Shopify. From the Products page, click the Import link in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Drag your file into the modal, or click the Add File button to open up an Explorer window and browse for your newly saved spreadsheet. Since we're updating tags for our existing products, we have to click the checkbox that allows us to override any existing data. Before you continue, be careful and double-check your files. If you've misentered any of the information in your spreadsheet, this will override the product listings on your online store, and you could run into all kinds of problems. If you're confident that your spreadsheet is good to go, click the Upload and Continue button in the bottom right-hand corner of the modal. Review the preview data, and if everything looks good, click the Import Products button. To verify that everything's working, navigate to any of the product pages that you've modified and check the Tags field. Everything looks good on our product page, so we can see that the import worked the way we intended it to. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you now know 3 simple ways to update product tags in your online store. Also, take note that product tags do not improve your search engine optimization. They're simply used to allow you to create collections and collection filters. If you're looking to improve your product page's search engine optimization, check out our video on creating product stories.